me the scissors. And a brush. Can you turn off the video? You want to be in my video?
Nope.
Come on! So these are my little plants that have been sitting out in the sun, and I've been keeping the soil moist, and they've been doing really good. They really like it here, and the potted plants are doing really good as well. A little bit. Hey, get off. Look what you're doing. You're stepping on the plants. Get down. Get down right now. Hey, they're gonna call PETA on us. Get down. Wow. Why are you laying down right there? This is the garden. Hey, you're in the garden area. Go over there. Come on. Also, look at my plant. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Oh no. The village well fell. It's for the berries. So for dinner, we're just gonna eat some garlic butter noodles. And there's a really good recipe if you just go to the link down in my bio. And this is the exact recipe that I used, except for the noodles I used fettuccine. I know it looks really plain, but it's actually really, really good. And especially if you like garlic taste, you'll really, really love this. And the noodles are just so buttery, garlicky, and they just have really, really good taste. So I definitely recommend. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and prep my microgreens. These are just radish plants that have been growing for about 10 days. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut it down as close as I can to the root. And I'm going to cut just enough for me to eat. Then you want to make sure that you clean them. There's going to be like little debris and stuff, so clean that up. I added Parmesan to my noodles because I love that a lot. And then I'm garnishing it with the microgreens. And that is it. Super easy. This is actually super, super tasty, and you can hardly taste the greens. So if you're somebody that doesn't really like to eat a lot of vegetables, this is a good way to eat it because microgreens are full of nutrients, and it was super, super good.